But I don't, Shahanshah, said Tansen with a smile. There is someone who sings far better than I do. I'm not the last word in music. There are too many people who can sing far better than me. That is what Tansen replied to King Akbar. Means Shahanshah so told here, that is a respectful manner of calling his bull or his emperor. Really, cried the disbelieving Akbar. Akbar could not believe that there is too many other people who can sing much better than Tansen. So he told, he cried, really? He cried, the disbelieving Akbar cried like that. Then I must have him sing in my court. Can you arrange it? If so, there is another people who can sing far better than you. Means, can you arrange them to come to my court to sing for me? Can you arrange it? So Tansen shook his head. I am afraid he will not come, sire. What was the point that Tansen said it at this time, shaking his head? Yeah, Tansen shook his head and told that, I am afraid he will not come. Sire, a new word is given to you here. Sire, what is the meaning? It is written over here. It is actually an old usage. That is a respectful form to address to a king. Respectful form of addressing a king is otherwise, sire. He will not come for sure. So, what? Not even if he hears that the emperor himself summoned him? What do you mean? Even if the king himself has told or summoned means what? He has ordered him to come and sing in my court, he will not? So, replied Tansen, no, not even then. Even if you yourself has told him to come, that he knows about it also, he makes sure that he will not come. This reply would have enraged any other emperor. What do you mean by enraged? Make him much angry. But Akbar was not enraged hearing to this. But this must have enraged any other kings, it seems. So here comes the difference of Akbar from the other kings. That is why he is considered to be one of the most greatest kings of India. Very well, Ustadji, said Akbar, smiling into Tansen's half-scared eyes. So here, Akbar replied in a different way, not like the other emperors of the country. He told that, very well, Ustadji. He praised Tansen at that time, saying the word Ustadji. What do you mean by Ustad? A skilled person, especially in music. In the field of music, those people who have attained higher positions are otherwise called Ustadji. Here Akbar called Tansen with that name, that is Ustadji, smiling into Tansen's half-scared eyes. Tansen also was scared, telling that a great music person will not come to the court of Emperor Akbar. He was also afraid of saying that. So looking into that half-scared eyes of the Tansen, Akbar told him, well said, or very well, Ustadji, like that he told. If he doesn't come, I shall go to him myself. If this man is not willing to come to my court, what I will do? I myself is planning to go there, and are you able to take me to him? He asked, will you take me to him? Yes, sire, provided you do not come as the emperor of Hindustan. I shall come with you. I shall take you to that great musician, provided you must not come with me as the emperor of Hindustan. Hindustan is the old name of India. You all know that. No, you don't come with me as the emperor of Hindustan. I shall take you to that musician. I shall go as a humble lover of music. So what was Akbar's reply at that time? I'll make sure that I'm going to that great musician as a humble lover of music, as a very little or a simple lover of. Humble means humility, like വളരെ എളിയ ഒരു പാട്ടിനോട് വളരെയധികം സ്നേഹമുള്ള ഒരു എളിയവന്റെ രൂപത്തിൽ ഞാൻ അങ്ങോട്ട് പോയി കാണാം. അല്ലാണ്ട് ഞാൻ എൻ്റെ പിന്നെ രാജാവിന്റെ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ചക്രവർത്തിയുടെ മുടിയിലും അഴകിലും ഒന്നും അങ്ങോട്ട് പോവാതിരിക്കാൻ ഞാൻ ശ്രമിച്ചുകൊള്ളാം. San Haridas was the man Tansen had spoken all of. He had seen Tansen's music teacher and he lived the austere life of a hermit. about whom Tansen was telling all this time, about the great musician who can sing much better than him. It was all about Sant Haridas the Great. Was a man Tansen had spoken of. He had been Tansen music. Who was he actually? He was Tansen's music teacher, and he lived the austere life of a hermit. Austere means very simple life of a hermit, of a sage, you can say otherwise. Muni, Rishi എന്നൊക്കെയുള്ള ഒരു അർത്ഥമില്ലേ മലയാളത്തില്, same like that. He already lived as an austere life, a very simple life, a very contented life of a hermit. And when Tansen and the emperor reached his hut, he was busy with his daily course. When both of them planned, and they went to this Sant Haridas' house. When they reached there, they could see this man very much, what to say, busy with his daily course. Daily course means normal duties, it seems, daily works. When they asked him to sing, he smiled but said firmly. Akbar and Tansen requested this man to sing for him, but firmly means strongly. This man replied, what was that? I'm long past the age for singing. My age is not for singing now. I am so much aged, and my age of singing is all over. Even his favorite pupil could not persuade him to change his mind also. In fact, Tansen was one of his favorite student or favorite pupil. He himself could not even influence Sant Haridas in order to sing in front of his guest Akbar. But Tansen knew how to get round him. He offered to sing before his guru, and he made a deliberate mistake. What do you mean by round him? Tansen knew how to get round him, how to trap him, or how to bring into his level, to his interest at all. He offered to sing before his guru. What Tansen did? Tansen told her, I am going to sing in front of you, my dear guru. And he made a deliberate mistake. When he sang in front of Sant Haridas, what did Tansen do? He made a purposeful, deliberate means purposeful mistake in music. That is not the right note, Tansen cried. Tansen cried, his teacher amazed. When Tansen made that purposeful, deliberate mistake, his guru cried in an angry manner or in a very sound way. This man told, that's not the right note, Tansen, cried the teacher, amazed. What has happened to you? What has happened to you? Tansen did not seem to understand his teacher. Tansen, what did Tansen do? He behaved as if he did not understand what his guru is pointing him. Okay? And he made the same mistake again. He repeated the mistake purposefully in front of his guru. Exasperated, Sant Haridas took the tambura from Tansen's hands and sang the right note. What do you mean by exasperated? He was not able to control his feelings. Uncontrollable way of expressing his feelings. Sant Haridas took the tampura, the musical instrument of strings, from Tansen's hands and sang the right note. He showed how to sing that in tampura. In tampura only, in the notes only, he made the mistake. So Sant Haridas did it for him in the correct way. Then he went on to the next and the next. What did happen here? Because of his great interest in music, after correcting the mistake what Tansen did also, he kept on singing to the next notes and all Sant Haridas by, forgetting about himself in music, he played on and on, it seems.